Hey there, science fans. Welcome to another exciting journey into the wonders of nature. Ever wonder how plants grow big and strong, reaching for the sky with their vibrant leaves? It's not magic, but it's close. They have a superpower called photosynthesis. This amazing process is what allows them to thrive. It's how plants make their own food, turning sunlight into energy. Imagine having your own food factory. No more grocery shopping for them. They produce everything they need. Plants are like nature's solar panels. They soak up sunlight and use it for energy, just like our solar panels do. Unlike us, who need to eat other things. Plants are self-sufficient. They create their own sustenance. They're the original green energy producers, harnessing the power of the sun long before we did. This process is happening all around us in every leaf, blade of grass and tree. Pretty cool, right? It's like a hidden world of energy. So next time you see a plant, remember it's not just sitting there, it's making food and oxygen. It's a tiny powerhouse. Let's dive into how this incredible process works. Get ready to be amazed by the science of photosynthesis.
Okay, science detectives, let's break down photosynthesis into easy steps. It's a fascinating process that keeps our planet green and thriving. Think of it like baking a cake, but instead of flour and sugar, plants use sunlight and air. It's nature's way of creating food.
First, plants use a special pigment called chlorophyll. This pigment is crucial for capturing light energy. It's green, which is why plants look green. Chlorophyll absorbs light most efficiently in the blue and red parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. Chlorophyll is like a solar panel, soaking up sunlight in leaves. This energy is then used to power the photosynthesis process.
Remember those roots? They're not just for anchoring the plant. They're busy sucking up water from the ground. This water is essential for the plant's survival and growth. This water travels up the plant's stem to the leaves, just like a straw. It's an amazing journey that happens continuously.
Plants need air to breathe, just like us. But their breathing process is a bit different. But instead of oxygen, they take in carbon dioxide through tiny holes called stomata on their leaves. These stomata are crucial for gas exchange.
Now here's where the real magic happens. Inside the leaves, a complex chemical reaction takes place. Inside the leaves, the plant combines the captured sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. This combination is the heart of photosynthesis. They mix it all up and voila! It transforms into sugary glucose, the plant's favorite snack. This glucose is used for energy and growth. This, my friends, is the basic recipe for photosynthesis. It's a beautiful and essential process that sustains life on Earth. Every good team needs its star players, and photosynthesis is no different. Let's meet the Fantastic Four.
1. The ultimate energy source. It's like the fuel that powers the whole process.
2. Think of water as the main ingredient. It gets things flowing and helps transport nutrients throughout the plant.
3. While we breathe it out, plants breathe it in. It's a key ingredient for making glucose.
4. This green pigment is the chef of the group. It captures sunlight and helps transform it into energy. Together, these 4 superstars make photosynthesis happen, keeping plants healthy and our planet thriving. Now, what happens to the glucose the plant makes? It's party time.
The plant uses this sugary fuel to grow big and strong, flower, and even produce delicious fruits and veggies that we love to eat.
But here's a cool bonus. Remember how we breathe in oxygen?
Well, plants create oxygen during photosynthesis. It's like a special gift from plants to us.
They use what they need and share the rest. How generous is that?
Here's some oxygen for you.
Thanks, plant. So next time you take a deep breath of fresh air, thank a plant. Photosynthesis isn't just cool science, it's the reason we're all here. It's the process that powers life on our planet, transforming sunlight into energy. It's the foundation of life on Earth. Here's why: it fuels the growth of plants, which in turn support entire ecosystems.
Food source. Plants are the primary producers on Earth. They create the food that sustains us and countless other species. They make their own food through photosynthesis, and then we eat plants or animals that eat plants. This process supports the entire food web. It's a chain reaction of energy. From the tiniest insect to the largest mammal, all life depends on this energy transfer.
Oxygen factory. Without plants releasing oxygen into the atmosphere, we wouldn't be able to breathe. They produce the oxygen we need to survive. They're like giant air purifiers. keeping our air clean and fresh. Every breath we take is thanks to photosynthesis.
Climate control. Plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, which helps regulate Earth's temperature. This process is crucial for maintaining a stable climate. They're like natural climate heroes fighting global warming. By absorbing CO2, they help mitigate the effects of climate change.
So yeah, photosynthesis is kind of a big deal. It's a fundamental process that supports life and keeps our planet habitable. It's essential for a healthy planet and a healthy you. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. There you have it, science explorers, photosynthesis, the amazing process that makes life on Earth possible. It's a bit like magic, but with science, we can understand how it works. Remember, every time you see a plant, give it a thumbs up for all the hard work it's doing to keep our planet green and oxygen-rich. And hey, maybe even try growing a plant yourself. It's like having your own little oxygen factory right at home. Keep those brains curious and remember science rules.